let's talk about something we all know way too well, that chaotic morning rush. But what if I told you there's a delicious, super healthy, and unbelievably fast breakfast that could totally change your day? Okay, let's dive right in. So, the whole idea for this comes from this awesome concept, a Singapore-style Milo power breakfast. It's this brilliant local take on a huge global trend, and it taps into a flavor that, let's be honest, so many of us grew up with. It just perfectly captures that energy we're all looking for to start the day. You know this feeling, right? The alarm goes off, and boom, it's just a mad dash to the finish line. You're getting ready, maybe getting kids out the door, checking emails, and breakfast, it just gets pushed to the side, if it even happens at all. And this really shows the disconnect, doesn't it? In our heads, we want this amazing, nutritious breakfast that's going to set us up for a great day. But the reality? It's often just a cup of coffee, maybe nothing at all, or the same old boring cereal. And that's the exact problem we're going to solve right now. So what's the fix? Well, it comes in the form of the overnight oats revolution. This is a meal prep hack that has totally taken over the world for one simple reason. It is the perfect answer for our crazy, busy lives. And here's why overnight oats are such a game changer. You prep them the night before. It takes minutes. They're packed with fiber and protein, so you actually stay full. You can just grab the jar from the fridge and walk out the door. And you can make a different flavor every single day. But the flavor we're talking about today, that's where it gets really good. See, we're not just making any old overnight oats. We're adding a uniquely Singaporean twist that takes this from just another trendy breakfast to something really special. Something that feels like home. Which, of course, brings us to the big question. What is the secret ingredient that gives it that nostalgic, local flavor that so many of us know and love? Yup, it's Milo, that amazing chocolatey malty powder. For so many of us, it's the taste of childhood, of sports days, of home. Mixing it into overnight oats it's a simple but absolutely brilliant idea. You're combining a modern health food with a classic comfort flavor. Okay, so you're probably wondering how you actually make this thing. Let's get right into it, and I promise you, this is almost ridiculously simple and fast. All right, here's what you're gonna need. You've got rolled oats for the base, of course, the Milo for that signature flavor, some milk to get it all creamy, chia seeds, they add a great texture and a nice health boost, a little bit of yogurt for some richness, and then we'll top it all off with fresh banana. That's it, 6 simple things. And the method? Even easier. Step 1, dump everything except the banana into a jar and give it a good mix. Step 2, seal it up, pop it in the fridge overnight. And while you're sleeping, the magic happens. The oats get soft and soak up all that incredible Milo flavor. Then, step 3, you wake up, slice some banana on top, and you are good to go. And this is the best part. 5 minutes. That is literally all the hands-on time you need. 5 minutes of work in the evening for a perfect, delicious, and healthy breakfast that's just waiting for you in the morning. No thinking required. So let's just wrap this up. Your power breakfast is right there waiting for you. This isn't just about a recipe. It's a whole new strategy for winning your mornings back from all that chaos. So what's the big takeaway here? You now have a super healthy, fast, and tasty solution for those crazy mornings. You get to combine a modern food trend with a comforting flavor you love, and it only takes 5 minutes of prep. This is going to be your new go-to power breakfast, for sure. And that really just leaves us with one last thought. Now that you've seen how simple and how awesome this is, the only real question left is, are you ready to go make your own?